Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making ramen lasagna. Now, I can't claim this recipe as my own because it is all over TikTok, so I really wanted to recreate it in the Omnia Oven. Who doesn't love lasagna? So instead of using lasagna noodles, we'll be using ramen noodles, which are 30 cents a package. 30 cents. For those of you that know, I have worked at numerous places all around the world. I worked at a bakery in Mykonos, Greece. If you can tell me the name of the bakery that I worked at in Greece, you will qualify for a drawing to win
an Omnia lifting handle.
Yeah, this is pretty neat. So comment below where I worked in Mykonos, Greece, the name of the bakery. Your name will be entered in the drawing to win this lift handle. The recipe and links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below, along with the link to my new cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye. Do Little House of Beans a big favor. Click the like button, hit the notification bell, smooshy the like button, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to make this ramen lasagna. Perfect for lunch. Let's do it. Let's cook.